Messenger last active, not showing problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you at today's over there in delay. Let's get started. So first of all, on the Play Store application and search for Messenger, make sure that you have the latest version of Messenger application. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update. So we're going to go back and then launch the settings application on our device. As we do that, we can just scroll down and tap on apps, then tap on manage apps over here and search for Messenger application on the search bar. So let's just search for the application over here and then tap on the application. Now scroll down and tap on the option of clear data at the bottom right corner and then tap on clear cache and then tap on OK. After that, you can just tap on app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options. Now you can just go and relaunch the Messenger application and this might fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.